My name is Ryan Shane. Started in the auto business in 2002, and I have worked here since 2014. I currently live in Plymouth, Minnesota. I've lived there for about a year and a half. I originally grew up in Blaine, Minnesota. When I'm not at the dealership, I spend a lot of time with my family, friends. We live in a development that has a pool, so a lot of pool time, and I love to be out on the lake on our boat. Actually, I'm going there right after work today. When I retire, my wife and I are going to downsize, and we're going to spend a lot of time at the islands. Bahamas, Turks and Caicos, wherever it takes us. I have 3 first names: Ryan, Alan, Shane. Actually, I'm very musical. I own 3 saxophones. I used to be really good at the sax, but I haven't touched them in many years. You might hear a couple squeaks, but we could try. I don't have enough words. The people here are fun, amazing, caring, willing, appreciative. They're awesome. They're just really awesome. You know, I've been in this business basically since I've been in high school. A long time ago, I tried to become a Pepsi driver salesperson. So I think that might be kind of fun. You deal with customers, but you also get some alone time than driving around a semi-truck. Every transaction is different. Every person is different. Every day when you come to work, you know, hey, I'm not gonna push paper for 8 hours. I'm gonna have a different path every day, and it's fun. Tundra, it's big, a lot of horsepower. Fits the family, pulls the boat. Granted, I can't do that, but it can do that. I really like all the TRD accessories. Tires, rims, exhaust pipes, dual exhaust. I'm a pretty boring individual. Most people probably say the Safety Connect stuff or navigation or Apple CarPlay, but I'm okay with 102.1. 100% attitude. Attitude makes a difference. Culture. I've not worked at a lot of dealerships. I've always been dedicated to the dealership that I've worked for. But comparing all the other stores, it's definitely culture. Whether it's from the detailers up to our general manager, everyone is here to help out everyone. Everyone cares. We're open about everything, right? It's a great store to work at. Every day. Probably serious laughs, probably once an hour, actually something was funny. I think most people have a wall or defenses, and I think that easily gets broken down. Whether from certain team members, staff members, someone meeting you at the front desk. If you ask a question, we give you a question, we don't lie to you. We're honest, we're efficient, and we sell Toyotas. And that makes a huge difference. I'm glad I'm not selling anything else. Hi, I'm Ryan Shane. I'm the pre-owned sales manager here at Rudy Luther Toyota. We have a huge selection of pre-owned vehicles. We have over 175 employees here at the store. 30 of them are our sales staff here, which are more than willing to help you and answer any questions that you have. Please let us know. Ryan Shane, Rudy Luther Toyota.